Now this question will become very simple if you know how to play with these percentages, if you understand the percentage equivalence of fractions. So 55.55 percentage in terms of fraction, how much this will be? This will be equal to 5 upon 9. Okay. Similarly, 63.63 percentage, how much this will be? This will be 7 upon 11. Okay. So now be careful with the assumption of these values, because you are given some fractions, and these fractions will make things very easy for you if you know them. So let's solve this one. So we are given two teams, SCB and DSK. Okay. Now the first parameter, the average runs. So average runs of SCB team is 55.55 percentage more than the average runs scored by uh, DSK team, average runs scored per match. So DSK team, I can assume something. Okay, now 55.55 percentage, since this is 5 by 9. So I'll assume the average of DSK as 9A. So if average of DSK is 9A, then the average of SCB, which is 5 by 9 more than 9A, it will be 9A plus 5A, that is 14A. Okay, just assuming some values will make life easy for you. Okay, now the next parameter, the total score. So total score of DSK is more than SCB by 63.63 percentage. So this percentage, like I have mentioned, it is 7 upon 11. Now total score of DSK is more than that of SCB, so I'll assume SCB as 11, let's say x, 11x. Okay, so the score of DSK team will be 7 by 11 more than 7x. That means 7x more than 11x. Okay, so that will be 18x, right? Now using these two, we can calculate the number of matches, right? Now average is basically total score divided by number of matches. So number of matches will be equal to total score divided by average. Okay, so matches for SCB, total score divided by average, that is 11x upon 14a. And similarly for DSK team, it will be 18x upon 9a, that is twice of x upon a. Now we have to find out the number of matches played by SCB. This value is approximately what percentage of this value. So we'll take division, we'll divide this. So first value divided by second value will give you a fraction of 11 upon 28. 11 upon 28 approximately is among which of these percentage? Now 28, 10 percentage of 28 is 2.8, 10 percentage is 2.8, 20 percentage is 5.6, so 40 percentage is 11.2. I have 11. Okay, so I can say that 40 percentage, since it is equal to 11.2, so my answer should be slightly less than 40 percentage. Now among the option, either I have 35 percentage or I have 40 percentage. So the answer will be much more nearer to 40 percentage. So this will be an appropriate answer to mark. So the correct answer should be option B, that is 40 percentage.